Welcome friends, welcome to the lecture series of Basic Electronics. So in today's session we are going to discuss about the different types of metal conductivities, and then after we will go for the basic electronics devices that are being used in the recent trends for the different types of applications. So, friends, there are some metals, right? We know what is the metal, but metals are having different type of conductivities. Likewise, first is a very good conductor. A metal can be a very good conductor. ठीक है, कंडक्टर मतलब एक ऐसा कंडक्टिव वायर जिसके अंदर रेजिस्टेंस कम हो, resistance will be low. Another will be of type like that is of semiconductor. See, semiconductors are not available directly. Yes, some of the semiconductors are available, but every time it is not like that you will directly get the semiconductors from the earth. Yeah. Then after the third is the insulators. See, these insulators are the one, those are having very high resistivity, hence no passing of electrons can be possible through these insulators, right? So we are more oftenly concerned about this semiconductors. So in naturally silicon type electronics devices are more oftenly used, right? So silicon is the thing that is very much available, but it is the one of the only conductor, only metal that is available directly from the earth and which is having the quality of semiconductor, right? So let's see how semiconductors can be available. See, one of the semiconductor is, and one of the most popular semiconductor is the silicon, right? तो सिलिकॉन जो है वो हमें डायरेक्टली मिल जाता है, एंड द सेकेंड दैट इज ऑफ जर्मेनियम जिसे हम जीई बोलते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज द two types of the semiconductors which are available, but there are some few metals which need to be inserted while if we want to make more conductive these materials, right? So कैसे बनते हैं semiconductors? Let's understand first. So any one metal piece is being taken, like I am taking one metal piece of any kind of material and another metal piece of any other material. See, we can say that this material is of any metal which is having more number of electrons, right? More number of electrons, and this is will be of more number of valence vacant positions, right? वैकेंट पोजीशंस, अभी हम इसे वैकेंट पोजीशन बोल रहे हैं, मतलब कि जहाँ पे कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अगर मेरा प्लेस हो सकता है तो वो जो जगह है वो वैकेंट वाली है, मतलब कि वहाँ पे कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अवेलेबल नहीं है. मतलब हमें पता है कि कोई भी एटम है उसके न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड इस तरीके से बहुत सारी ऑर्बिट्स रहेगी, ठीक है? दिस इज माय न्यूक्लियस, ठीक है? न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड जो है ये ऑर्बिट्स के अंदर हमें पता है कि 2, 4, 6 और 8 तक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो इस तरीके से इसके अंदर प्लेस रहते हैं, ठीक है? सो here it will be complete 2 electrons, but in the second orbit if any position is being vacant, like here there is a vacant position, see I am denoting with a square, so that is my vacant position and rest of the electrons are in the orbit. So this kind of nucleus are being placed in this kind of material and full electrons. See, this is my the second that is having the more number of electrons I am denoting over here. See, this is my another nucleus having two orbits, but in this orbit here there is two electrons are available, right? But in the second orbit there is only one electron. So this kind of electron is called as the valence electron. So if any energy is being given to this nucleus, then this electron can be liberated from this orbit and it can work as a free electron, right? But this electron can joint with this particular nucleus and complete this, fill up this position that is being vacant in this particular nucleus, right? So the nucleus is having वैकेंट पोजीशन लाइक दिस वे, राइट? ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये जो वैकेंट पोजीशन रह गई है, ठीक है, उस तरीके से अगर कोई मेरे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, इस तरीके से मेरे अगर कोई एटम्स हैं, ठीक है, तो उस टाइप के मेटल को, मतलब सेमीकंडक्टर को हम पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर बोलेंगे। और अगर इस तरीके से वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन वाले अगर मेरे कोई है एटम्स, तो उनको हम एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर बोलेंगे, राइट? सी, दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर ऑलरेडी कवर्ड इन योर 12th स्टैंडर्ड, बट here we are just refreshing the things and just getting into the subject. So this way p-type and n-type semiconductor materials are being used in the formation of different types of electronics devices, right? So these are my free electrons and free holes that is having the vacant position. See, vacant position are nothing but called as hole. These are considered as the hole, right? Actually it is nothing but it is considered as the hole and it works as a positive charge for the betterment of this understanding of this kind of devices. Okay, so how it will work? It will work as a positive charge, so hence it will attract electrons, okay, that is having negative charge. okay, तो ये मेरे एन टाइप मटेरियल्स को के अंदर रहे हुए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ये क्या करेगा? अट्रैक्ट करेगा. सो हेंस द flow of electrons through this metals can be possible whenever they are joined together. okay, तो इस दोनों metals को इसे हम बोलेंगे n type material और इसे हम बोलेंगे p type material that is having vacant positions. They are considered as the p type semiconductor and more number of electrons are considered as the n type semiconductor. okay, now understand one more thing, that p type semiconductors are having majority carriers as holes and minority carriers are considered as electrons. तो इसके अंदर अगर हम मेजोरिटी कैरियर्स देखें, then they are holes and minority carriers are as an electrons, right? Similarly, n-type semiconductors के अंदर हमें मेजोरिटी कैरियर्स के तरीके से हमें मिलेंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. मेजर जो है वो क्या होंगे? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. यहाँ पे हम लिख देते हैं, फॉर द मेजोरिटी देयर विल बी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड फॉर माइनॉरिटी देयर विल बी होल्स. तो इस तरीके से हम जो है इसे हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं और अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड that how this metals can be joined and how it will work after joining. See, for here we need to join these two sections together. okay, तो हमें इन दोनों को sections को join करना है by what? by using spatial fabrication technique. ठीक है, स्पेशल फैब्रिकेशन टेक्निक के अंतर्गत हम इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो वी विल ज्वाइन दिस टू मेटल्स और वी कैन से दी मटेरियल्स टुगेदर. ठीक है, नाउ terminals are brought out for the external connection with p and n type semiconductors. ओके, हम जब ये दोनों को ज्वाइन कर लेंगे, ठीक है, तो कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगा. इट विल बी फॉर्म्ड लाइक दिस वे. आई एम showing you the combined piece of this both the metals. See, this is my p type material, p type, and this is my n type. Okay, so here it will be terminals brought out, anode and cathode. See, these terminals are named as anode and cathode. The material having the terminal connected with it is called as the anode, and the material having the terminal connected with it called as the cathode, right? तो ये दोनों टर्मिनोलॉजीज आपको ऑलरेडी पता है. जस्ट वी आर रिफ्रेशिंग दी थिंग्स. ओके, सो लाइकवाइज दिस इज कॉल्ड एज दी पर्टिकुलर डायोड. दिस होल thing is called as the diode. This joint, wherever the two metals are joined together, is forming a junction. Okay, तो ये junction form कर रहा है. So ultimately this kind of construction is called as the p-n junction diode. Okay, इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? This is my p-n junction diode. Okay. सो इसके अंदर हम अगर दिखाना चाहें तो आप देख सकते हो कि इस तरीके से जो है ये मेरे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दिखाएगा, और अगर मैं इस तरीके से होल दिखा रहा हूँ, मतलब दिस इज माय होलो थिंग, मतलब अंदर से खोखला है, तो ये दैट इज माय होल. ओके, तो इस तरीके से अगर आप जो है वो इसके अंदर पैर्स भी बने हुए होंगे. ठीक है, समवॉट पैर्स आर कैन बी सीन इन दिस region also, and some vacant positions are shown in this particular thing. Okay, here I must say this is my holes, this is my electrons, holes, electrons, but it will be containing more number of electrons only. Holes will be less comparatively with the electrons, right? So likewise it will create a p-n जंक्शन डायोड. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो मेजोरिटी कैरियर्स और माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स की हमने बात कर ली है. तो यहाँ पे जो बीच में बन रहा है उसे हम जंक्शन बोल रहे हैं. एंड ड्यू टू दिस काइंड ऑफ स्पेशली कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एट पर्टिकुलर ईच साइड, राइट, यहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन किसका ज्यादा है? होल्स का. यहाँ पे किसका ज्यादा है? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का. सो इट विल बी मेकिंग अ ट्रेड ऑफ बिटवीन दिस, राइट. तो यहाँ पे जंक्शन के पास में देयर विल बी सम वॉट डिफ्यूजन. ओके, क्या होगा? डिफ्यूजन होगा. कंटिन्यूसली होल्स कैन बी डिफ्यूजिंग ऑन दिस साइड एंड दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर डिफ्यूजिंग ऑन पी साइड. ओके, तो इस तरीके से जो ट्रेड ऑफ यहाँ पे मचेगा तो इसे हम बोलेंगे डिफ्यूजन. I will show it with other pen using the red color pen, so you can get the easily idea of this diffusion, right? तो इस तरीके से जो है यहाँ पे डिफ्यूजन होगा. थोड़े इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ जाएंगे, थोड़े होल्स इधर आ जाएंगे, होल्स इस तरफ और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस तरफ, क्योंकि ये जो होल्स हैं दैट विल अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को क्या करेंगे? इट विल अट्रैक्ट and it will make a diffusion during this against this junction. Okay, so this kind of particular things are being happened in the p-n junction diode. And now you can see there's hole transferring to the other side and electrons are transferring to the other side. So whenever the diffusion of holes is being done, then it is called as the holes diffusion, and whenever the electrons are transferred, then that kind of diffusion is considered as the electrons diffusion, right? So I hope all of you must be clear with the idea of this p-n junction diode. we have taken very basic things of this PN junction diode. One more thing, that is how to show this PN junction diode in the circuit is this way. This is its circuit symbol. This terminal is marked as A and this terminal is marked as K, anode and cathode. Okay, so it can be also written like electrode 1 and electrode 2, right? तो इस तरीके से भी आप इसको दिखा सकते हो. एंड दिस इज द symbol of this PN junction diode. Okay, so I hope all of you get the clear idea about this PN junction. So this way a PN junction diode will be understood. In the next video lecture we are going to discuss about the depletion region and barrier potential of the PN junction diode. These two are very important terms and which is very much important from the exam point of view. So I hope all of you gain some of the knowledge from this video. If you gain some of the knowledge from this video, then you should like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.